Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to use texture to image in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see use texture image. Firstly, insert from picture. Now going to the file menu option. Then click. Now click from open option. Now select from picture. Now click open. Now open the picture. This use the texture. Now go to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Now select from layer from background. Now click OK. Now you can see then again layer. Now again click mouse right button. Now click from blending option. Now you can see then I select from texture. Now click texture and opacity. The texture. Fill opacity. Let it. Now click OK. Let it. Now you can see use texture to image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video.